In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your MarkItReach directory listing using your computer. First, you need to sign into the website. Go to www.markitreach.com. Click Explore Barbados. You will be taken to the Barbados listing website. Once here, you would click the sign in button and sign in using your username and password. You would then see a message of successful login. Then you will be taken to your user dashboard. Your name will be displayed. Once you are logged into the website, click the menu link at the top Upgrade Listing. It would direct you to the Premium Directory Listing form, where you would choose an option. You can choose from our monthly package, or our 3-month special, or the 1-year package. The 3-month special is currently being offered for a limited time only as our introductory package for the year 2023. After choosing, you will fill in your contact name, telephone, and email address. Then select any available date that you would like to meet an agent. All available dates will be highlighted in bold print for you to click on. Next, you have to choose a meeting location. In this case, we will say Sky Mall, and any other details you can add here. If you are uncertain about any fields, or need to fill them out later, you can click Save as Draft. We will email you the form link with the details you had filled out, so you can continue at a later date. Once everything is good, you click the next button. This is the confirmation screen, where you will verify the reCAPTCHA by clicking the I'm not a robot, and also consent to the terms and conditions. This amount is what you will be paying to the agent who comes to upgrade your listing, and it will depend on the package you choose, whether monthly, 3-month special, or yearly. Finally, click confirm, and you will be contacted by an agent to confirm the time and place. For any further questions, please feel free to email or message us through our website. Thank you.